There are three main reasons that your pitch doesn't work. And that's what we're talking about in today's episode 1040 of the Daily Sales Message Podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice, or in this case, three, that are designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, the first reason your pitch probably isn't working is because it describes you, not them. Most people say, I am a this, we do this, we, me, I, rather than describing the buyer and what you help them to do. So your pitch has to be focused on the problem your buyer is facing rather than on your solution, ultimately. Number two, what you're saying in your pitch is probably not that distinctive. So whilst you don't have to be unique, and I've got a real issue with unique selling point, USP, I think it's a massive red herring, there is some truth to the fact that what you say about your offering and your business has to tailor to your business. And if somebody else could say it, then it's probably not that compelling. So with clear sales message and the stuff I talk about, you shouldn't have really found anybody talking about the things that I do in the way that I do. And I've taken great lengths to do that because I've created a very unique methodology and a unique way of communicating my offering. And that's what you need. The final problem that you have is that you probably wrote your pitch for yourself, not for a stranger. Now, this is where we have assumed level of understanding. So I talk about things that matter to me in terms I understand, and I presume you also understand them in the same way and to the same level, but you probably don't. So when I'm telling you I can do this and do that and blah, 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 you're not connected because you literally don't understand it. And a simple example would be for some people, this is it's chipped, a chipped cup of coffee. For some people, it's a chipped mug of coffee. But there's slight nuance in language and understanding in how we refer to things. And if you don't take that into consideration, if you if you speak for yourself, you write your pitch for yourself unknowingly, because this is our natural default setting, then that's going to deter people. There's way more than three reasons why your pitch isn't landing. Those are the main ones. What you've got to remember is everything in your messaging, everything in your business starts with the problem that you're solving and the person that you're solving it for. And we have to explain things to them in the most concise and commercially viable way possible. So first of all, they understand it, which then allows them to buy it. Stay away from trying to sound clever because it never works. Clarity beats cleverness every single time.